If you want to remove the fabric of your sling frame for washing, this can be done quite simply. First of all, I'm going to undo all of the Velcro at the back around the frame to allow that to come loose, and then I'm going to get hold of the front of the fabric here. I'm going to pull it forwards. Inside here there is a little bit of rubber that's making it grip onto the surface of the sling frame, so you do have to give it a bit of a wiggle as it comes off. And then I've also taken off the strap. There is a bit of rubber that you'll be able to feel inside here, a bit of rubber tube that is stitched in so it can't fall out when you put this in the wash. So that is, if you look in the hole, you will be able to see it yourself. And when you're reassembling it, you need to make sure that you get the end of the bar, the frame, inside the rubber. And you can feel that with your fingertips. Make sure it's not got down one side of it, and just give it a wiggle till it goes all the way back on. And that just stops the fabric from falling off the frame. So the strap, if you're using it, always goes on the inside edge towards the person's body, and then the Velcro side of it you need to have over, so you can wrap it over itself and put the Velcro down so that the Velcro isn't then touching the person's arm when they've got it in the frame. And you need to do that before you put the end of the frame on. And then you can put the Velcro tabs at the back just to hold the elbow back in place.